Then everything's set up. We're going to do a pass now where it is just single, regular, everyday MIG welding. No pulse, no fancy stuff, no nothing, just regular MIG welding. We'll see how it does. Kind of like it. It sounds pretty good. We're going to turn on single pulse. And on the other side, we're going to run double pulse. This one on double pulse also looks very good. This is the piece that I did with absolutely zero pulse. This next piece we did on single pulse, and this final one we did on double pulse. All in all, this machine is pretty great.